Yeah, good. How are you?
Hey, good.
So, what
This
you
is
want
cool.
to do?
All right. Yeah, so we want to install the AC.
Okay.
And this is, let's see, a single family house.
Okay. I saw it. Okay.
Um, and yeah, so let me just show it to you quickly. I mean, it's like a under 15, around 1492 square feet. So like 4 bed and 2 bath. So
Okay.
it's a messy. So this is the kitchen area. So
I need
and
to see where's your furnace location.
oh, the furnace. Yeah, so that's in the garage.
Okay.
Um, and by the way, that's the electric panel. And
No, no,
let's
no.
see.
Please
Uh,
show me. Okay. Just first show me the furnace.
yeah.
Do you have a measure tape with you?
Let me get it. Okay.
Okay.
1 second. Oh, oh yeah. Okay. All right. So I guess you want to measure the width, right?
Yeah. Please.
Okay. Yeah. 1 second. Okay. Uh, I don't know if you can see it, but I think it's around
17.
17.
Yeah, 17.
Yeah.
Yeah. Good.
Okay. Okay.
Um, yeah, please just
Yeah.
stay back about like 5 feet front of the furnace.
Okay. Better.
Can you show me the upper?
Oh.
Okay, okay, and lower now, close to the like right. Turn the right, little bit
Oh.
camera. Okay, okay. Can you show me your garage place? Do you have there like a washer or dryer or the sink?
So I don't have a sink, but you can see there are like washer and dryer right there.
Okay, it is. Are they in the garage, right?
Yeah, they're in the garage.
Okay, can you just slowly move your camera from the washer um to the furnace?
Okay, sure.
Slowly. Okay, okay, okay. I'm just asking because I'm figuring out how we will run the drainage condensation discharge for the air conditioning.
Okay.
Okay, so the next is this Campbell, right?
San Jose,
San
South San
Jose.
Jose.
Okay, nice. Can you show me what's it's back of this furnace location? Where's like a water heater? Can you show me
Yeah.
what's outside of this wall?
Uh, yeah. Let me. Oh, you mean the other side
Yeah,
actually,
yeah,
right?
other
Okay.
side. Yeah,
Okay.
outdoor wall.
Oh, so this is on the inside actually. The other side is a so you see this is the water furnace, right, where my hand is. So the other side of the wall is the kitchen, and
Yeah,
this
yeah,
wall, right?
this one, yes, this one.
Yeah. So this is it goes in the living room actually.
Ah, okay, got it. Okay,
Yeah.
so
Yeah.
the one
And
way we can do the
so
discharge condensation water, it's just for the to the sewerage on the your washing machine. Okay,
okay.
that's fine. Okay,
Okay.
let's check. Another thing is electrical panel. I need to know what exactly the models of your electrical breakers there.
Uh, okay. Let's see. I don't know if you can see it here
It
actually.
is Bryant. Okay, Bryant is good, and you have a two more for the two pole breakers. The place.
Yeah.
Can you just keep the about like a 2 feet front of the electrical panel? I will
Okay. Is
make
it
it.
better?
Yeah. Can you do 1 feet more?
Okay. Better?
Okay, good. Okay, got it. So, do you have just one electrical panel or you have more?
This is the only one I have.
Only one. And can you show? Okay, let's figuring out. Do you have a under your garage the attic space?
Yes. So it's not under the garage. It's under one of the rooms actually. Um, so it's the crawl space is in one of the rooms.
Okay. No, I mean about the attic space. You have an attic space?
Oh, the attic space. You know. Oh, let's see. I guess so. Yes.
Yeah, yeah,
So
yeah.
I
Show
don't know
me
if you
this
can
place,
see.
please. Okay, got it. Okay,
Okay.
yeah, that's wonderful. That is
Yeah.
wonderful.
So that's it's closed actually, but yeah. But you see, there is a wiring going on the top, on the wall actually. Um,
Yeah, yeah,
yeah.
good, good. Okay, can you show me the place where's you think we're going to install the AC unit?
Yeah. So let's see. So we got few options. Uh, Let me just go out in the backyard. Okay. One second.
Okay.
Um, yeah, I don't want to put it here because
It's
here you can see the garbage cans.
yeah.
Yeah.
Between the air conditioner and the fan supposed to be at least 5 feet.
Okay.
Yeah, so
Okay.
we won't be install it there.
Okay. So I was thinking, I mean, I have a little bigger backyard, but
Yeah.
this side of the backyard, I mean, we don't use it on the side. So you can see, right? There's a plenty of space here.
Okay.
So
And this
maybe
this side is closest side to the to the garage, right?
no, this is the farthest side. So this is like the one end. The garage is on the other side actually.
Yeah, let me
So,
check one sec.
Yeah, so the garage is all the way there. You see the fence over there? That's where the garage is, kind of. And this is the other side of the house.
Okay, I see, uh-huh.
Yeah, so just to give you some idea, right? Like, I think, yeah, this you will get a better idea actually with this view. So I was thinking, like, where my hand is kind of pointing, where you see the rocks. So
Uh-huh.
not near the door because that door is going to the front entrance, but probably somewhere here, I guess in between actually.
Yeah, that will work too. I will just measure how long
Okay.
this line set supposed to be for us, and the
Okay.
electrical panel in the garage. And can you show me where's your
Right.
electrical meter there?
Yeah. Let me show it to you. That's
It's freezed. Oh.
here. Oops, sorry. Can you see it?
Yeah.
Okay.
No. It's electrical. Electrical. Yeah, electrical. Uh huh. Yeah.
Okay.
Can you open the cover for me? The right side.
Oh,
Yeah,
this
this
one?
one. Yeah, this one.
How does this go? Oh man. Okay.
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 And how many amps here?
100.
100. Okay. That is good. And you have a dryer. Is it electrical or gas?
Uh, it's electrical, I think.
Okay.
Yeah, it's not gas.
All right. So, okay. All right. What else? And how old your existing furnace? Do you know?
No, I don't know that actually. Unfortunately.
Okay. I will check your permits information and I will maybe find where when it was replaced last time, if it
Okay.
was made with permit.
And for the sorry for the dryer.
Uh-huh.
All right. Hello.
Yeah. Electrical or gas? Oops. Отвалилось. Yeah.
Yeah. Sorry, got disconnected.
Uh-huh.
So for the dryer, just want to make sure it's electric. I guess
Yeah,
that's
it's
all
electric. Yeah, it's electric. Yeah.
Okay.
You don't know how old your furnace, right?
No, but I can give you the model number. I don't know if that helps.
Yeah. Can you give me the model number if you have on the front?
Yeah. So it's Trane, Trane.
Yeah, I see it. Yeah, that's enough. That's enough.
Yeah, XB80.
If can you just make a lower camera?
Yeah.
Okay, can you just put your fingers to this front of the cover and try to pull out the front cover of the furnace?
Okay, let me try.
Does it come out?
Uh, let me try. Yeah, I think so.
Okay. Do you see there the model number? It's supposed to be like a lower side of the label.
Let me see.
It's on the sides. Yeah.
Oh, you mean here?
No. It is like on the metal sheet of the outdoor walls. Yeah, here you go. Do you
Yeah, I see the model number.
Yeah, can you make a picture and just send me just because it's a very poor video and I won't be able to do the picture with it.
All right, let me take a picture. Give me 1 second. Okay, you should have it actually.
Okay. Yep, wonderful. Okay.
Okay.
2005 date of manufacture. So it's like a 15 years old. It might be the will work with new air conditioner.
Okay.
Yeah, I will suggest to send you maybe. Did it work like on the winter time?
Yeah, I mean we are able to use the heater. I mean we don't have any issues. I mean
Okay.
so far it works fine actually. Yeah.
Okay, can you tell me your air registers are located on the floor, right?
What is located on the floor?
Air registers, the air ducts. Like where is it?
Oh.
In the house.
Oh, you mean inside in the house, right?
Yes.
Yeah, it's like all over the place. Let me just show it to you. So you see here, there's the one on the wall.
Uh-huh.
And then there is like one here in the bottom.
Okay.
And let's see. Oh yeah, and then there is one here on the top.
Okay.
And I think most of the rooms have it. I mean, on the top actually.
Yeah. Okay. That means you have like a upflow configuration.
Yeah.
Okay,
Right.
Raul. I got everything I need.
Okay.
Let me check. Do I have your email?
Yeah.
1 second, please.
Sure.
Yeah, I have your email. So
Okay.
give me like a 30 minutes. And I will send it to you the estimate. Do you prefer like something like a low or medium performance models or what?
If you don't mind, can you share both actually?
Yeah,
Uh,
yeah.
and what brands you support actually?
We
Carrier?
we usually do the brand. It's the same brand like Carrier, but it's just
Okay.
cheaper, like about 10%.
Okay. Which way is it? Lennox or Train or?
Brand.
Oh, you do brand?
Yeah,
Okay.
yeah.
All right.
We do brand.
Okay.
Yeah, it's a good
Sounds
good
good.
brand as a Carrier.
Okay. All right. Sounds
All
good.
right.
Yeah.
Thank you.
Okay.
I will
sounds
send it to
good.
you. Yeah. Thank you.
All right. Sure. Thank you
Bye
so
bye.
much. Appreciate
Bye.
it. Yep. Bye.
Bye.
Yep. Bye.